All right, so you know where we're going today?
Nope.
All right, well, you've been doing really good on these food challenges. Out of 5 of them, you've won 3, lost 2. The last challenge, you ate a 3-pound burger. Well, today we're going to eat a 5-pound burrito. You up for it?
Comida de Mexico.
We're going Mexican. The good news is there's no time limit for this one.
No time limit.
No. The other thing to consider, if Z beats this challenge, the burrito is free. So far, 5 pounds, that's going to be Z's biggest challenge. We'll see though, huh? In Z we trust. Thanks, buddy. Oh, these goddamn chargers. So Z, let me get this straight. You stopped here because you have a little secret to your method. You want to get some water to stretch out your stomach, I'm assuming?
Not the reason, I'm just thirsty.
Hey, if there's a method to your madness that's going to help you get this free burrito, by all means. I don't see the benefit of chugging down a bunch of water before you eat 5 pounds of fucking food.
Oh, you will see.
What's up, Bob? What's up? What's up? Oh shit, they got New York Seltzer here. I thought that was a thing of the past. Oh, hi, kitty. What a nice cat.
It's a wasp.
Oh, it's going inside.
Wasp. No! Get it out.
Is it inside it?
No, it's inside my helmet now. It's a wasp.
I can't stand these, dude.
Oh,
Yeah, that's the best thing for a helmet right there.
I was just trying to help you.
That's exactly.
All right, so you got your water, you got all your preparations. You have no excuse not to beat this challenge. 5 pounds.
Oh, it's a lot of burrito.
So you're doubting yourself already? That's not good.
Low expectations, high good results.
Get out of my way, deer. Oh, a bunch of deer. He's got a little bear. Why does he have a purple bear in his backpack? Couldn't get it. Oh, I'll get it. I'll get it. Let me tell you a little bit about the place that we're going to today. The place is called La Casa Garcia, which is owned by Frank Garcia, and it's located in Anaheim. The burrito that Z's gonna eat, it's called the King Burrito. It's 5 pounds of gloriousness, I'm sure. But, you know, everything tastes good to begin with, but after eating a couple pounds of something, he's probably gonna get tired of it. Z, I hope you're hungry. Huh?
I'm hungry.
You're hungry. 5 pounds hungry? We'll see. Oh, look, slug bug. Slug bug. Pow. Wheelies for burritos. There she is. Are you ready, Z? Huh?
I'm pretty hungry.
Ready?
It's like the size of a baby. I'm eating a baby right now. Oh, this is like... Look how long it takes for me to cut this in half. Two and a half pounds done. 2.5 more. Best burrito of all burritos. Don't forget to eat their veggies.
Oh yeah. Z, you're so close. Look, you have literally 5 bites left.
I can't do it. Ugh. Just give me some time. I'm so full. I think I'm full.
He needs some encouragement.
I know, that's why I'm coming over here to make sure you're fine.
Give him some encouragement. Come on.
Look, you're almost done. You're more than halfway done, and a lot of people finish it. Just you, I think you've gotten a lot farther than most people. Most people go like 1/3 and they're like, I'm done. So you're almost there.
I know.
Almost. Do you want some water? Yeah?
You think you're gonna throw up? Where are you going? Oh. Well, you didn't complete the challenge. This is worth it.
That's kind of gross. I'm so sorry.
She missed.
I promise that was
There's too much food.
nothing to see here, folks. You better not put this on YouTube.
It's going on YouTube.
Well, I'm not full anymore. Stop laughing. Stop laughing. Let's get out of here. Stop laughing at me. Wait. I can't wash that off. Oh my god.
I'm gonna have to say this challenge ended in disaster. You have anything to say for yourself?
In my defense.
In your defense? The people next to us, you paid for their lunch.
I feel bad.
You did feel bad. And you still got the shirt.
Which is covered in throw up.
You can't ever wear that shirt. It says I finished the 5-pound King Ranch burrito. You didn't though.
Where does it say that?
It says at the very top.
Oh.
You can't wear that shirt. But the burrito was good. Everything I had was really good.
It was delicious until I had to eat it.
It was delicious until you had to eat it. Alright Z, now what?
Let's get out of here.